Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Vskills AML KYC Career Guide. In this video we will briefly tell you how you can prepare to become an AML KYC officer, and how Vskills Placement Cell can help you with your job. So let's get started. AML KYC Compliance Officers oversee internal anti-money laundering policies, and remain compliant with important regulations, banks, credit unions, and similar financial institutions. They ensure compliance with current AML regulations and other relevant legislation. Moreover, they develop and maintain a risk assessment framework for products and services, clients, and customers. Responsibility of a compliance officer. AML KYC compliance officers implement various inspections and audits from third-party organizations. They oversee and implement an ongoing AML training program for other employees. AML KYC compliance officers determine the risk level of customers when opening a customer account, as well as implement the company's anti-money laundering compliance policy. They follow AML regulations and laws, and take protective measures against financial crimes to the company. Further, they detect suspicious transactions, and then report for it. VSkills Certification in AML KYC is one of the first certifications in this area of banking sector. Vskills Certified AML KYC Compliance Officer will get a chance to explore various employment areas in top banking ancillary firms, security and audit firms, and other small and medium enterprises. Moreover, certification is aimed at enhancing the quality of compliance with the directions of RBI, in combating illegal operations and movement of funds, through the use of banking channels. Vskills, being India's largest certification and job providers, gives the following benefits. 1. The certifications will have a government verification tag. 2. Vskills Placement Cell help you in the job search, and connect you with potential companies. 3. The certification is valid for life. 4. Candidates will get lifelong e-learning access. 5. To clear the exam, you get access to free practice tests. 6. Candidates will also get tagged as Vskills Certified on monsterindia.com and on shine.com. The Vskills Placement Cell continuously look for good job opportunities for Vskills certified candidates. We connect you with a potential employer or company, and get you a job interview. And then after clearing your interview, you get employed. Vskills certified candidates will find employment in top companies like Adecco, Mercer India, Team Lease Services Limited, Bajaj Capital Limited, ICA Human Capital Solutions, ABC Consultants, etc. After registering for the certification, you get access to an online LMS, and free practice tests. Then you study for the exam, and after you think you have prepared enough, you select a date and time for the exam. Having cleared the exam, you become Vskills certified. And after that, our placement cell connects you with potential companies to get you a job interview. Certified AML KYC Compliance Officer covers the following topics. Introduction to money laundering. Methods of money laundering. Legislation and international cooperation. Role of correspondent banking. Know your customer. KYC operating guidelines. Internal control and structure in banks. Customer risk categorization. Reporting obligations. Transaction monitoring. Staff and customer awareness. Candidates preparing for the exam should understand the importance of exam resources, as during the exam preparation, it is essential to get all the required study resources. This will provide an advantage to understand the concepts and meaning more accurately. In this preparation guide, we will discuss some of the most important resources to help you prepare well for the exam. 1. Understand what is the objective of the exam, and what is the role of an AML KYC officer. Then go through your LMS and study books. We provide candidates an online learning material for a lifetime through our LMS. The online material is regularly updated. Furthermore, e-learning is bundled with hard copy material, which helps candidates to improve and update the learning curve for superior and better opportunities. After understanding and learning the exam topics, it is time for practice tests. That is to say, practice tests are important for better preparation, as by assessing yourself with these tests, You will know about your weak and strong areas. Moreover, you improve your answering skills for getting better results. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.